Good morning, everyone. Today is furniture day. Woohoo! Taylor, how long have we been waiting for furniture? How long have we been excited for this? Yeah, it's probably been like 3 weeks-ish since we've been here, but we finally got our furniture all figured out like this past week, and luckily they were able to come and deliver it so quick because I think I literally ordered it Wednesday because we just had to really figure out like what we wanted to do with our space. We got some other stuff like this lamp I had from my other apartamento, and then like this rug that we already had. So we had to figure out exactly what we wanted, and so you'll see what we end up getting. I won't like spoil it, but I'm just so excited because this is finally going to be furniture vlog and furniture being delivered, and then this room won't be empty. Woohoo! I'm so excited. But first, other than the furniture being delivered, we plan on a relaxing day at the pool. And so we're gonna go get some pool snacks from Whole Foods, and the pool just opened, but it's basically full already because people
wait in line.
Will go ham at our apartment complex. They literally wait for the pool to be open, and Taylor's like, I've witnessed fights over pool chairs. So TBD if we will get chairs or not, but it's fine. And yeah, I'm just so excited about the furniture. If you couldn't tell, I really am. Crowded pool day, people. Hi. We just had to get our pool passes, and we've just been baking in the sun. Well, I'm wearing this new bathing suit I got from Princess Polly. I'm obsessed with it. And our furniture is about to come really soon, so I'm so excited. They're like on their way. Okay, we took our break from the pool, and of course we have to get our furniture in here. And there's like construction. Taylor's gonna figure it out, but I'm so excited because, like I said, it's legit Christmas, and I still haven't told you guys. This is a perfect opportunity. Good? He said he'll get us in there. My man. I still haven't told them. We are getting furniture from Court. I'm so excited. It's like a furniture rental where you can get all your furniture from, and you really do. Yeah, Taylor's ready for some furniture. I just think it is so good for us. It just makes so much sense for this period of time in our life, because I was like, what am I gonna do if I buy a couch and then in a year, like, I don't even know where I'm gonna be. Me and Max were talking about like going to the Cape all of next summer. So then what would I do with all this furniture? Like, we were kind of freaking out for a while, like didn't know what we wanted to do, and it gets so expensive, and we're like, we're just not in a position to afford like all this crazy furniture right now. So like furniture that you can rent just makes so much sense, because yeah, then we just pay for it every month and don't have to worry about like when we're done what we're gonna do with it. And what's so nice is they like work around your schedule, and they can drop it off and pick it up like whenever is convenient for you. So literally, I told you guys I ordered it like, I swear, on Wednesday. Like, it was so last minute, and we were like, oh, we want it like right now. And so luckily they could literally come this Saturday morning, which just works out so perfectly. And then like next June when we move out, I'll just call them up and be like, we're ready for you guys to take our furniture back. And they like bring it in, set it up, deliver it, like everything, which is so nice, because like what are we gonna do is to like little girls, like we can't like move around couches. So it's gonna be so nice, and I'm just so excited for our furniture to get here. And I'll have it linked down below so you guys obviously can check them out, because I think it's such a good idea if you're like moving to an apartment like us, like in, well, I was gonna say a new city. We're not in a new city, but like a new part of the city. Like if you're moving just to a new apartment in general, and if you're like young like us and like you don't know what you're gonna do with all this furniture that you buy, like so much of the stuff I bought from our last apartment that I couldn't bring here, I literally had to throw away. So it's like, this just makes so much sense. Oh my god, I think that's it. Maybe not. I see a truck and I just think it's it. Delivery, I don't know. But yeah, that's all I'm saying. So I'll have them linked down below. And I'm so excited. I'll show you guys when it gets like delivered and like set up and stuff. It's gonna be so nice that we don't have to deal with it. There's another truck in here, but I'm literally just gonna open this loading dock. I don't know if I'm allowed to do this. Guys, they just moved in our first little table that is gonna go between our 2 couches right here. And then we have another table that looks just like that for right there, and then like a media console right there. Okay, you guys, they just moved our little media console in, and we're like, it's so funny with furniture actually in here, you realize that this space isn't that big. But I think it's still gonna look so good with our couch there.
It could be on the other side.
Yeah, we can put that wherever, the lamp. And then the couch here is gonna be the one, the sleeper one with the pull out. That's why we're doing the 2 smaller couches instead of like a big sectional, because having a sleeper for our guests will be so nice. Also, this looks so good. Our apartment like slants. Like this isn't like a straight line. It's like kind of diagonal, but woo! Here it comes. One of the couches. Gotta get it around this corner. We're setting up all the little bottoms. I love the color. It looks so good. This couch is beautiful, people. Okay, now I'm feeling like this and then another one right there. Like it legit might not even fit. Like I'm sort of feeling like this is enough.
I don't know.
And like even if we had another chair, I don't know what else we could do right there.
Anything else there is too much.
Like this is just fine as it is, maybe. And that pulls out. Is it cozy?
Oh, the Bachelor on Monday.
Oh, I'm so excited. Is it the finale?
No.
Or the one before the finale?
This
is gonna be so great. Like we haven't been able to use our living room.
And we still might not be able to because there's no way another one of these is gonna fit between there and
I was like really hopeful. All right, you guys. So all the furniture has been delivered. One small issue is I wish I was like a little bit better with my with my tape measure before getting all this furniture. You would think that I would realize, no. So basically I have this like marvelous idea of like the 2 couches, like what is it called, kitty corner, when they're in like a corner like that to each other. I've had this like great idea. It would look beautiful. I've seen it in pictures, but our space just isn't big enough. So I'm just gonna explain this before I show you because you're gonna see it and be like, what? But this is just how it's gonna have to be for like literally one day. Taylor's like thinks this is hilarious and is like documenting the
I
whole
only
thing.
think it's funny because I told you.
You told me a million times. You're like, 2 aren't gonna fit, and I'm like, listen, sis, I know they are. No, because I wasn't really taking into account like the whole white console thing. So basically what's really nice about Court though as well is we were talking to the delivery guys and they were like, yeah, we would just get rid of one of the couches, literally call tomorrow and someone will bring it back, but at least we have a day to like think it over. But like you'll see. Taylor's sold. We're pretty certain we'll just
I really like the couches.
Have them take one back, which is so nice that that's even like an option that they'll do that, because I was just like stupid and didn't realize. So here we go. These couches are beautiful and we love them, and they turned out even more pretty than I thought they would. Like, we really like the couches.
So cute. I love
we don't like how Gretchen didn't measure, and this one is really cute until you get over there. My parents would laugh at me so hard right now. Like, it hits the console because we just don't have enough space, and like we can't move it that way, because then imagine if we just push this all the way that way and that whole cushion was just cut off by the other couch. Like a sectional could have made more sense, but that also might be a little crowded. So obviously it's very crowded. So in the future, just take away that and it's gonna look great.
And the couches are super comfortable.
We're just gonna get rid of that, but we love how cozy it is. And this one especially, since it's the sleeper couch, so whenever we have like guests, it'll be so great. And this table we got as well, which goes really well with our floors. I knew it would. And then the matching little side table over here. So everything we got was a side table, this little table that goes in front of your couch, the 2 couches, which will be reduced to 1 because it'll just look a lot better. This white cabinet that I think wasn't even meant for like a TV console they had, it's called Bianca, I remember, because we were contemplating doing this or like a shorter one that's called the media console, but I liked how much more storage there was in this one. Just obviously didn't realize this situation. And then we'll mount the TV above it and it's gonna look so good.
Perfect size for the TV. Like the TV fits.
Yeah, I agree. And we were wondering if we would have to get like a bigger TV, but I think that's like totally fine. And yeah, it's gonna turn out great. I love like how that literally took them probably 15 minutes. Like it was so easy for them to like set everything up and put it in here. Yeah, it was so great, and thank you, Court. I really appreciate you guys working with me and sponsoring this video because we love our new furniture. I was just a dummy, and we'll love our furniture even more when we reduce it to 1 couch. So although I was dumb and we don't need both couches, they literally are so cozy. And Taylor was saying her one worry was that like maybe the couches wouldn't be new or like nice or something, and they literally are brand new and like such good quality, I will tell you. So yeah, it's just been such like an easy experience so far. The delivery people were so helpful. They were so quick and like professional with putting everything together. And I don't know if you guys probably already know about Corp. Maybe some of you do, some of you don't. Like, I didn't know about it. I actually heard about it from my friend because he was like, my mom, when she moved when she was younger, had an apartment and was just not in a position to buy furniture, and like rented all of her furniture for her apartment from Corp. So I just love that you can like go on there and find everything for your apartment. Like, it's not just like living room for us, just we already had like all of our bedroom furniture and stuff like that from like my old apartment or like Taylor's house, so that's why we were just like furnishing our living room. But I like that it's so easy to access like everything for your apartment, not just like your living room. Like, the delivery guys were telling us how they literally just moved furniture for like this entire person's apartment, so it's so nice knowing that you have that option as well. But yeah, they just provided like the best service when they were dropping off our furniture. We literally were waiting downstairs because I thought that we were gonna have to like help them or anything, and they called me and they're like, hi, we're like out front of your door. Like, they already moved everything up and they were like here ready. I was like, wow, that was quick. And they set up everything so quick. So yeah, obviously I would definitely recommend, even if it's like a move in state or across the country, or even if like you're in the same city like me, it's like so helpful. And I know they have locations all across the US, so again, I'll have them linked down below. And I would definitely recommend, so you can have a comfy couch that you can afford, not one that you're gonna go spend like thousands of dollars on. Like, couches are legit so expensive, and it's just like really taking the stress out of this whole moving situation. So yeah, back to swimming, everybody. I just jumped in. I feel so much better that I jumped in the pool. I was like sweating, yeah. Okay guys, I'm back from the pool, and it's so bizarre to have furniture. Like, I walked in and I was like, oh, thank goodness. Like, I literally forgot because we just haven't had furniture this whole time. And it feels so great. Sorry, I'm just obsessing over furniture. You guys know, if you like finally get furniture, it's like, and it's so great that this is a sleeper for our guests when they come. And yeah, I'm just so happy. Hi, so obviously it's the next day, but basically I realized I didn't even update you guys on what we finally decided last night on the furniture. So basically it just took me and Taylor some like thinking, deciding on our priorities and what we wanted, and rearranging stuff around. So this is what we have landed on, our final decision for furniture. Okay, so you guys remember how we decided we were going to get rid of one of the couches, but now we've changed our mind. We actually are going to get rid of the white TV console that we had right there, because without it, we can fit these two couches perfectly fine. So that we really like, and we made this decision because we want to have more seating for when guests come over. And it actually worked out so well, because last night we had like 30 people over. We weren't even planning on doing that, but it worked out so well because we were like, literally, what would we have done if we didn't have these two couches? People would be standing. So it was just so much better having both of these couches, and it's just way more cozy and fun that way, because I'm like, Taylor, we each have a couch. Like, I can be laying on this one and you can lay on the other. So it just worked out really well that we could change our mind. And yeah, basically it just had to be a couch or the TV console, because if you remember, they were like touching. So we got rid of that, and then these are just perfect. This is like the sleeper one, same as before, and then this is like the same exact couch, just without the sleeper. All right, then over here, so still not finished, like updates to come, we'll keep you guys updated, but we are going to mount this TV. And fun fact, I digress, but I actually found out that our building has steel studs in the wall. I never knew that was a thing. I tried mounting a TV in my room yesterday and it was not working, and I thought I hit a pipe, but really it's just steel studs. I thought it was like wooden studs, because that's just how like my house is and whatever. Oh my god, I realized I always do this. I always film before I take the mascara off my eyelids with a Q-tip. I'm really sorry for noticing that. I always forget to do that. I'm all over the place. But we're going to mount that somehow, whether that be drilling into the metal studs or going around them and just like anchoring it into the drywall. I digress. Also, what we've decided is, so as you can see, it's like not gonna stay like this, but that was actually the coffee table we got. And we're also deciding against that because we're like, we kind of just want this to be like free and open, and you can just like move around and stuff. We don't really need to like put up our feet. We can just kind of like lounge on this. Like, it's so big and So we're like, we don't really need a coffee table. In my old apartment, I had a coffee table. We never used it. So we're just gonna have Court pick up the coffee table and the white media console today. And then if you'll notice, the matching side table is back there. And we are going to keep that. We'll put like a cute little lamp on it in the corner. It's gonna be really cute. But yeah, so I just wanna make sure I updated you guys because yeah, and I know you probably can't see the whole vision right now, but it will be really cute when everything is how it's supposed to be. We need to pull out the rug more. It's kind of just like weirdly placed back there, but I promise it's going to be cute. Okay, what's really funny is the white media console. Like I said, that was supposed to go over there that we're moving. It's kind of perfect in this little indent when you walk in to my apartment, but like I said, we're having them pick it up because it kind of sticks out. It doesn't like actually fit and we don't need it there. We just put it there until Court comes and picks it up today, so I just thought that was funny. But like, I love this. I think it's so beautiful. We just literally don't have room for all of that because I was silly and didn't measure it all correctly. But I'm going to end this off here. I was just realizing how I literally took this whole vlog to talk about furniture, but it's just like such an exciting time being in this new apartment, and I feel like it deserves its own episode because yeah, it's just like such a big part of our apartment. Me and Taylor have been so excited. We literally haven't been able to use our living room since we lived here without furniture, so it's just like so exciting, and we are obsessed with the furniture that we are keeping. And yeah, again, I'll have Court linked down below. Obviously would recommend for the million reasons I told you guys about it earlier, but thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.